it goes, just think that you guys should introduce yourselves. Say where you're from and, you know, one or two sentences about the program and what you guys got out of it. So, and also feel free to attack them with questions, because it was really hard.
We can answer them, we can answer them.
They can answer them.
We can handle them.
They did it. They worked really hard and they learned a lot, I think. They did research on all of their objects. They wrote all of their texts. Hopefully you guys got a chance to read the extended captions. And yeah, I'll let you guys take it over. You want to start, Shante? Since you're right here? Not yet? You need to think on it? Okay. You ready?
Sure, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm Elizabeth Luki. I'm from the Acoma Pueblo and Navajo Nation. And this art program was just amazing for me. It's like just seeing all the things that Ralph T. Cole collected was kind of just really eye-opening for me, because some of these objects I've never seen before and I didn't really know that they were. So it was kind of amazing to see just everything that he has in his collection.
I'm Danielle Cara from Mokevinga and San Felipe Pueblo, and it was a really different experience for me.
So I'm Oscar Loya. I was in this program last year, so this is my second year, and this program was amazing. It opened my eyes, and now I know what I want to do for an actual job. I know what I want to do, and just this is amazing, and it's really eye-opening.
Oscar, how old are you? Like 14?
I'm 14.
Yeah, he's 14 and the rest of us are just juniors, so like he's super mature. I think that's really cool. That's great.
My name's Heaven Talachi and I'm from Navajo Pueblo, and this program was really amazing. I mean, everything that we learned somehow connected back to us in some ways. Yeah, it was pretty amazing.
Hi, I'm Sophia Bunch. I'm from Santa Fe, and I think this program was, like my colleague said, amazing. I've been so privileged to work with so many amazing people and to learn so much about art history and the process of creating an exhibition. And thank you guys for coming.
Yeah. Excellent. Shante, you ready? Okay.
Yeah, so.
Do you have a theme? Is this like your intro song? Okay, I like it.
Yeah, so, you know, I thought this was pretty cool because it brought kids from ACT, just us two, you know, and the rest of us from San Fe Indian School, which is pretty cool because at the San Fe Indian School we come from like everywhere. There's this girl from South Dakota, her name is Callan, she's really cool. And, you know, Southern Pueblos, Northern Pueblos, you know, Navajos, Apaches, and like a whole bunch of tribes are there, and meeting people from different schools is pretty cool. And you know, when I grow older, I wanted to be like an environmental engineer, and this like really brought a lot of work experience to me. And this has really helped me because it taught me to learn. Well, it taught me to like work well with others and just have speaking skills like right now, and have the patience to learn and really just grow as a young adult.
Les voy a decir una historia de mi familia. Este es mi papá. Él es muy puntiagudo y muy terco, pero también es muy fuerte, muy fuerte. Ella es mi mamá. Ella es muy bonita y muy delicada, pero en secreto también es muy fuerte. Ella es hecho de huesos y amor. Ella me cuenta cuentos sobre cómo encontró a mi papá y cómo se casaron. Aquí estoy yo. Mis papás dicen que yo soy muy especial porque ellos no saben qué soy. Pero de todas maneras yo me divierto mucho. Dicen que yo puedo hacer muchas cosas, pero yo no estoy muy seguro. ¿Quién sabe lo que soy? Ella es mi hermana. Es bien directa, pero todavía la amo. Ella se suspende arriba de todos y ayuda a la casa con los problemas. Mi familia es muy especial.